So if you saw we're still on the wrong camcorder. If you saw the servicing on this, we've got a situation. I think we'd be better off with that glass one. It needs to be a bit taller. With this Maxcom 30E, where there was no transmitted audio, received audio, PA audio or anything. So we sorted that out in the previous video, did the service. We've now got 3.95 watts output, decent receive at 0.48 microvolts, and there we are. So we're going to run with the standard replacement mic, and then we're going to go over to, because this set is one that came in a box with destructions and all that. There we go. We'll get the mic out. We'll run with this at the end. I'll just get that out of the plastic because I can see in the viewfinder that that wasn't very clear. So that's the shape of mic you get with this set. Oh, I've never done the antenna warning indicator. I meant to do that. It needs setting up inside. There's nothing wrong with the aerial. It's BS. I'll sort that before we send it back there. Tango 21 test. Roger. We'll go over to the extension speaker.
Right, ready when you are.
Yeah, just putting the extension speaker in.
Roger that. Well, ready when you are.
Roger, ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger. When we go to the tone control, we'll do the tone control. It's called filter.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger, on that on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare. And I managed to say them properly this time.
You did indeed. Second one today. That was fine over.
Roger, is that a test mic?
Roger indeed, it is, yeah.
Something seems a bit scratchy about it. I don't know whether it's not into the socket properly or the switch.
Yeah, Roger, okay, well I've just made sure I've tightened up the thingy.
Roger that, right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger on that.
Roger on that.
Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Maxcom 30E from 1983, doing 3.95 watts. I'm on standard replacement mic. Over.
Roger. Yeah, sorry, that's we'll say that's all received well, no problems.
Roger, Dr.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point on this Maxcom 30 from 1983, doing a 3.95 watt output, drawing 1.01 amps. We're going to go to low power, I'm on a standard mic, and it's set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. full power, over.
Roger that, no problems on full power. It is noisy tonight though, so you were noisy on low power but still legible.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Right, we're square wheeled for the crossing, and I think the barriers were just going down, so it might be here in a minute or two.
Roger on that. Yeah, I can see F5 of noise on the channel tonight.
Yeah, roger that. I see the train are coming. I could start singing a bit of Johnny Cash at this point.
Good.
Aha, it is a steel train.
It's on the steel train.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now passing through Rossby Level Crossing. I remembered at last. Yep, 136.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, thank you.
Roger that. 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now passing through Rossby Level Crossing. I remembered it last.
Roger on that. Got you going over the level crossing at Rossby. Well, have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yeah, 136.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, thank you. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, that worked fine. Clarity on receive. And we'll just warn you, if you get one of these, the crystal filter is so sharp that if anybody's the slightest bit off frequency, if they're slightly over deviating, and of course if they're on an illegal radio, they will sound absolutely dreadful or be unreadable. So we have to be absolutely spot on that these are dead on frequency. In comparison to the Maxcom 4E and all those other sets which use exactly the same chassis without the crystal filter, to be honest, they sound better on receive. But there you go, it's always the same on these. So we'll go into our Midland 76900 base station, see what it sounds like on the standard replacement mic and also with the factory original.
Tango 21, testing the Maxcom 30E into our Midland 76900 base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it on low power. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3. That's a hum test. If there was a hum, it would diminish on low power. Now we're going to go through to the factory original mic. Well, it's me again, the factory original mic didn't work, so that's where it ends. Thanks for watching.